kicked off. We're on the first run, watching them come back in. Nice work, keep going, let's go. All day. So they have. Every hour on the hour, they're going to complete 3 deadlifts each between the team. So there's a team of 4. They're going to complete 3 deadlifts each. They're going to lift 1,200 kilo and they're going to run a relay of 2 miles. We're on the first hour now. So the relay of the run is split down into 8 lengths. So we're doing quarter-mile strips. They're just running up and down here now to the cones and back again. They're about 15 minutes in. What's going on, bro? You getting in?
Yeah, just give us a little seat on the side there.
What's the tactics?
Slow and steady, mate.
Good man.
There's some people that have come out
Roasting.
like it's 1 hour. silly.
Mate, you should have seen that they were flying on that first one just down then. I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
We're in there pulling 150s, 145s.
He's in it for the long haul. I'm looking forward to seeing what he puts down. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Let's go back in and see where we're all at. 3, 2, 1. Off your ergs! Off your ergs! Off your ergs! We are into the second hour. So what do you think of that, Wendy? Look at that. Well, everyone's slogging it over there. We're just here, just scranning.
Watch this. We are gonna come past wild animals. Serious animals. Look at these animals. What time is it? 20 past 10. Working up. That's serious. Big problems. It's causing carbon monoxide being released in the air with their sweat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off your eggs, let's go.
Right, we've got 7.5 hours left. I've just been updating the scores. So these are the scores on the board. So we're about halfway in. We're in the nice warm car. Me and Monument Media. I know his real name, but I'm not going to say it on camera. We don't want to let the cat out of the bag. He's like Banksy. But yeah, they're in the rain outside, hissing it down. And morale's starting to come down a little bit, which, as evil as I am, I'm quite happy about this because they're having too much fun in there. Except this guy. I don't think you can understand how bad the rain is, but this guy is just getting about, no clothes on. He's not even part of the competition. I just found him. Who is this guy? He's not even doing the competition. He's got no clothes on. They're going for it though. The time is now 20 past 12. It's normally taking them about 20 minutes to get these runs in. So we're 18 minutes past. The last hour it took them to 21, so they must be coming to the end now. And they're not taking it easy, they're moving quite fast still. Probably because it's raining. I want to get it done. We had a few issues. On the first block of 4, when the ergs are hitting 50, is it 50,000? No, 5,000. No, 50,000, yeah. Some of the ergs are resetting, so luckily the calories have been saved onto the memory, so we've stuck them on another machine straight away and grabbed them off the memory. But that's the only issue we've had so far, and everything. But besides that, everything's running smoothly, so we're doing all right. Touch wood. We're good. So what we've done now is we're now resetting the machines every hour, and we're just adding all the scores up. So yeah, it's going well. No one's broken yet. We've got a few sore backs, so that's about it. Everyone's running well. Oh, we've had someone be sick, but I think that's because he drank too much Monster. That's about it. Right, team, checking out. Tell you what, there's some good sweets talking about. We got about 17 minutes till we go again. The time is 12:44. They're starting to feel it now. Not so smiley anymore.
Well, I've got a feeling that this guy's absolutely leathering it. Going downhill, this guy. Pressure's on now, but you have to go. Look at that, he's gone up now. How are we splitting it?
2 minutes, 1 minute.
Is it?
No, 90 seconds. Ready, everyone?
Go, 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 go. Oh! We're cooking now. 15 minutes till we go again. 15 more minutes.
Checking in with this guy.
Let's go.
How we getting on, mate?
Huh?
How we getting on?
Loving it, Brad. Loving it.
Bit hungry, that. Just keeps disappearing on me. Hello? 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 So we have first injury, or first man down. We have a team now missing one person. So now we've got one team down to 3. So what's going to happen there is they now have to do one athlete has to do 2 miles of running. Off we go, team, let's go. Flying. Nice work. Hannah, you're looking far too happy for my liking. Happy. And just like that, it is over. 12 hours of hell. And he absolutely levered it. Like, I can't believe it myself. Team come down from just outside of Preston, took the win. The second went to a team from the park. There's some RJC athletes, and third place went to Scott's firm, come all the way from Scotland. Yeah, every credit to him. It was the vibe and the atmosphere was unbelievable. Like, just want to say thanks to everyone. Thanks to Built for Athletes for, you know, helping us put the event on, giving away all those prizes, mad prizes. Rad, My Protein. So Rad gave away 4 pairs of trainers. We went to the girl that lifted the heaviest, the lad that lifted the heaviest. We give a pair of trainers away to a girl that she was like the biggest warrior. So she one of the teams ended up going down to 3, and she cracked on and just got all the runs in. So she had to take on the runs, so she done double runs. So every credit to Abby, she smashed it. And then the last pair of trainers went to that my guy that helped out with the full event. Just come out and he's just volunteered by himself, just out, you know, the goodness of his own heart. He's still here now. A lad called Richard, so we give a pair of Rads to him. So thanks, Rad, for supplying that. We couldn't have done it without you. And to My Protein, who have fueled all the athletes, shakers, electrolytes, gels, pre-workout. Yeah, mental. I'm gonna go again, so I'll let you know when the dates are for the next one. Till then, I'll see you then.